Neil Callaghan was doing a great job trying to catch Ollie Davis when he was loose, but concentrating on 11 balls now. Telwar, who's by Halford.